G'day, my name is Wes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Failsafe on the FlySky FS-i6X transmitter. To view and configure the Failsafe settings, go to System Settings, Receiver Setup, Failsafe. As you can see, the Failsafe is turned off for all channels by default. Let's see how the receiver behaves in this default state. My receiver is connected to my computer via a USB serial to TTL cable, and I've written this program so you can see what the output from the receiver looks like. When I move the controls, you can see the receiver is outputting the values as expected. Now imagine I'm flying along in the middle of a turn with all sticks off center, and the transmitter loses power or goes out of range, which I'll simulate by turning it off. You can see that the receiver keeps outputting the last values it received from the transmitter. Now we'll go into the Failsafe settings and turn them on for the first 4 channels. We want everything to fail centered except the throttle, which we want to be all the way off. To do this, go into a channel with the OK button, then turn Failsafe on with up or down. Make sure the stick is in the position it should fail to, and press and hold cancel to save. Channel 1, 2 and 4 are all the same, that is centered. For the throttle on channel 3, the stick should be all the way down, which is minus 100%. Once they're all enabled, don't forget to press and hold cancel when exiting the main screen to save it. Now we can test to see if it's working. Once again, I'll imitate a situation where all sticks are off their failsafe positions and then turn the transmitter off. After a short time, the receiver reverts to the failsafe values. This confirms the failsafe configuration is working as desired. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.